This thing sounds awesome.
I love it. I mean, I love it, and I don't. I would love to be like, you have to turn it down a little bit.
Get a valve. Today, we're working on the red BMW. Try to get it ready to sell. Or drive. I don't know. It's registered. It's insured. If it's easy to get going, I mean, it doesn't fucking owe me anything. So, it'd be cool to keep it. But the green one is where my heart is at. The green one is where my heart is at. Yeah. I like that one way better. Alright, so we had to take everything apart. Everything apart. E21 2.0 right on the block.
Yep.
That's neat. It looks clean.
It does.
Does not look bad.
Can you shine on these guys? That looks like a
little leaky.
Yeah. That could just be oil. Oh, that's just this, whatever. That is from the thingy.
Cool. It's supposed to be separated. Alright, cool.
Wait, did we take... What are those two holes?
Oh, we also took, yeah.
Those were for the brackets?
Yes.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
Okay. Peek down for a second. Like, no wonder it didn't fucking work.
No, I saw that too and I was like, wait, is this broken? But no. Looks fine.
Cool. So, now it's the fun part.
Oh, so that's where the injectors are at?
Yep. Wibbling a little bit. And then, you know how lucky you are that day. Sometimes they come out beautifully. Other times, not so much. So down in here is a crazy rubber band. Sorry, rubber O-ring.
Yep.
Yeah. That thing there.
Which is what we need.
Yep. They're commonly available. You can probably get them tomorrow if you really tried hard.
Could we go to AutoZone and get them today?
Nope, they don't have them. That's gonna be FCP Euro. Yeah, that's why your car doesn't want to run. Look at that thing. Look at the schmutz on the end of it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. I'm guessing that was dribbling.
Alright.
Volkswagen that I'm used to. You can do this without taking the intake manifold off at all.
So we're not going to be able to do all of this today because I don't have the right O-rings.
Yep. Dirty as hell. Dirty as hell. Dirty as hell. Yep. Alright. That's the hard part. Next is the take it off and inspect the lines part.
Got everything apart. The injectors came off pretty okay. Got all the injectors in here and some gaskets. But the injectors do not come with O-rings. Just need an O-ring right there. Shit. Alright, day 2 on the red BMW. I've already started a little bit. I've put the O-rings on the injectors, which sucked. That was a pain in the ass. Had to slide the rubber all the way down the shaft. Nice and dry. Yeah, I did this dry. Because I'm an animal. Yes, yes, yes. All right, we've got the new fuel injectors in, which is a huge pain in the ass. They're underneath this thing. I had to take all this off. The battery is in. Battery dead.
Nope.
Ah, we're pissing.
Wait for that. I gotcha.
Yeah, that was only hand tight.
Gotcha. That should do it. Honestly, why have 13 in hand?
Nice.
Something's gonna leak.
Yeah, something's gonna piss.
There we go.
Whoa! Oh shit!
That's just running better than it was.
Yeah!
Hells yeah.
There's no muffler on it. Don't we want to sell this?
Yeah. Nothing wrong with what we're doing. Sounds fucking fantastic.
It does sound really good.
Yeah.
So it just won't stay running now?
I probably will. I just turned it off.
Oh.
Yeah, cooling it. It's
Still coolant in there.
Yeah, I think it needs to be driven and new gas. But this, it wouldn't do that before. Those new injectors work.
That was the key.
But it runs.
Yeah, it does. Sounds good, sounds strong.
Battery light's on. Other side, this alternator is dead.
BMW runs. Hell yes!
But that, my friend, is a running BMW.
All right, now we just have to air out the shop from all of this smoke. And,
Yeah. Fuck yeah.
that rocks.
Sorry, demonetizing.
No, as long as we don't say...
An AutoZone.
Oh, okay, easy enough.
I'll look it up. I ordered it actually from Amazon. I'll send you the link.
Okay, perfect.
And then it needs an intake boot.
Intake boot?
Yep.
Okay. Yep, yeah, that whole thing.
Yeah, because I cracked the top. Yeah.
Okay.
It'd be terrible.
All right, fantastic. Well, our red boy is running. That's fantastic news. And this was the first successful project in the shop that we still aren't technically allowed to be working in, so technically we're not. I'm glad at least a few of these open. Thanks for joining, everybody. Appreciate you. Say bye, Dave.